Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. Our today topic is freshly cut flowers affected of vinegar. Tips for using vinegar in gardens. From cleaning pots and tools to trapping fruit flies, here are just some of the ways household vinegar can work wonders in your yard. Many of us have heard about the benefits of using vinegar in gardens, mainly as an herbicide. But how effective is vinegar and what else can it be used for? Let's find out more about how to use vinegar in the garden. Using vinegar in gardens, it has been said that one of the benefits of vinegar in the garden is as a fertilizer agent. Acetic acid only contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, stuff the plant can get from the air. Preserve fresh cut flowers. Everyone loves to display fresh cut flowers from their garden, but the problem lies in the significant shortening of their lifespan after the stem are cut. Without having roots that can supply the nutrients that flowers needs to survive, even the most well-kept flowers will wilt after just a couple of days. To prolong the life of your homegrown bouquets, fill the vase with 1 quart of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Help germinate the seeds. Some seeds, like okra and nasturtiums, can often be difficult to germinate. To make the process a bit easier, soak stubborn seeds overnight in a bowl of water with a few drops of white vinegar and plant them the next day as usual and see quickly results. Increase soil acidity. Though vinegar can be fatal to many common plants, others like rhododendrons, hydrangeas, and gardenias thrive on acidity which make a bit of vinegar the best pick me up. Combine 1 cup of plain white vinegar with a gallon of water and use the next time you water these plants to see some amazing results. You can also add some distilled vinegar to your soil to fight lime or hard water for other not so acid loving plants. Additional garden uses for vinegar. Don't be alarmed if the benefits of vinegar aren't what you are thought they would be. There are other gardens uses for vinegar that can be just as good if not better. Using vinegar in gardens goes far beyond weed control. Here are more options for how to use vinegar in the garden. Freshen up cut flowers. Add 2 tablespoons 30 milliliter vinegar and 1 tablespoon 5 milliliter sugar for each quarter of water. Deter ants by spraying vinegar around door and windows, frames, and along other non-ant trails. Eliminate calcium buildup on brick or limestone with half vinegar and half water. Spray on and then just let it see. Clean rust from garden tools and spigots by soaking in undiluted vinegar overnight. And finally, don't forget the animals. For instance, you can remove skunks odor from a dog by rubbing down the fur with full stretch vinegar and then rinsing clean. Keep cats away from the garden or place areas, especially sandboxes. Just sprinkle vinegar in these areas. Cats hate the smell. Remove unwanted weeds from driveways and sidewalks. Sometimes that overgrown cobblestone look can give a place character, but When unwanted weeds start growing through unforeseen cracks in your pristine driveway or garden paths. It can be quite an unpleasant surprise to get rid of the weeds. Simply spray pure white vinegar on the affected areas. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.